Metrology is a science of measurement.
This is Luke. He works for Ford Motor Company. Behind him is the all-new 2013 Ford Fusion.
What I use daily for my measurements is the Ruth robot.
This is Ruth. She is the robotized unit for tactility and haptics.
She measures force deflection, torque to angle, which allows us to get quantitative measurements for things that we might perceive, even if subconsciously, in our everyday life.
You know, you can only methodically improve what you can measure in a robust and reliable manner.
Eileen was instrumental in bringing Ruth to the U.S. She interprets what Ruth finds to help make the inside of Ford cars the best around.
The engineers can only design what I can specify. We can get the voice of the customer, but it isn't sufficient to be able to say this is too soft or too hard. You need to be able to take it and translate it into engineering metrics.
When you get inside of a vehicle, or when you just pick up anything really, and you start to understand, does it move when I squeeze it, or how soft is something, and just come up with ways to explain what you're perceiving when you touch something, and put that into quantitative measurements to allow for better engineering.
Ford gathers data from people all around the world about their preferences. Ruth turns their answers into hard data that describes quality.
The customer expects, soft, where we promise soft, and solid, rigid parts, tight margins, clean, flush, well-crafted vehicles. We need to break it down, translate that voice of the customer into engineering metrics so that we can go further and design our parts and take it to the next level here at Ford.
Ruth is new to North America. She joined the engineering team in January.
Being able to quantify how something is perceived is extremely important. Without being able to do that, if something is just soft, or I like this part, or I don't like this part, what it really means in terms of quality is never really established. With Ruth, you can analyze and determine exactly what quality feels like, and it allows us to improve our quality based on those metrics.